Hey everyone, in this video I show you how quick and easy it is to make your own custom light switch wall plates. And before I dive into it, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All the products are listed below in the description as well as some discount codes, and please leave a comment on what you think of these and if you have any questions. Alright, so these are just some cheap light switch plate covers from Walmart, and besides being cheap, I like them for this project because they're smooth plastic, and that just makes it easier to work with the alcohol inks. So first you want to make sure you clean the plates with some isopropyl alcohol, and that just cleans off the dirt and all the oils. I chose to use some Pinata colors, and I have silver, passion purple, which I've just put into a squeeze bottle here with a needle tip, and some teal. I've also got the Ranger alcohol blending solution and some plain isopropyl alcohol as well. There's so many ways you are able to use the alcohol inks to decorate your plates, just as if you're using something such as Yupo paper. So I'm just going to keep it very simple and add the inks, maybe some blending solution or alcohol, and I'm going to use my heat gun set on low heat and speed, and maybe my airbrush to move the inks around. When I'm done with them and the inks have dried, I'm going to spray them with some matte UV resistant spray from Krylon, and I've heard that using a matte or satin helps not reactivate the inks, though for me I'd recommend just making sure to remember to do a very light coat at first, because I always seem to reactivate the inks no matter what I use. So if you have any recommendations on that, definitely leave those in the comments below. And then after I sprayed with the matte, I used some gloss polyurethane, and that just shines them back up. And I'm just using the polyurethane right now because it's the only gloss clear that I have right now, but you can really use any gloss spray that you'd like. And then let that dry, and then you can install them and enjoy. So it's super easy and simple, and stay to the end for the final images, and don't forget to check out the discount codes and product links I have below. If you'd like to help keep this channel going, please check out the various ways to help in the description box, and that includes donating via PayPal or even sending me items from Amazon wishlist, and all help is greatly appreciated and goes back into making new videos to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.